PU Prime have just released a brand new campaign and it's all football themed, and they're actually giving away a prize pool of $4,000. So stick around if you want to find out exactly how you can get involved with this. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into the video. So here we are on the PU Prime website. And one thing I love about this platform is these guys are very, very good at what they do. They have an app in which you can copy traders. So basically, you don't even need to think. You just find the best trader, follow them, and when they make money, you make money. And they're also really good at their regulation side, allowing access to the broker from over 200 different countries. Fuck me, dude. And they're also really good when it comes to regulation because they have multiple licenses and still have access from over 200 different countries. Now let's go over to this page because this is what we're talking about in this video. So as you can see, this is the Trade Like Champions promotion. These guys are giving away a prize pool of $4,000 and a bunch of surprise rewards as well. This is super easy to get involved. You can do a bunch of different things here, right? So you've got a leaderboard. You can earn points through the PU Prime in-app challenges to climb the leaderboard. Make it to the top 10 and win your share of the $4,000 cash prize pool. Super easy to get involved with this. Just press the link in the description. You can get started. And the challenges in the app are super easy to get going with. They're also doing a spin and score. So this is basically a spin the wheel system where, yes, the wheel spins and you can get a bunch of different things here. You can get a trade loss voucher, a credit bonus, and much more. The way you unlock this is simply by trading and depositing. So all you got to do is use the platform like you would do any broker, and you can get access to these free rewards. Next, this is where the football stuff comes into it. So basically, you can predict match winners, and then if you guess correctly, you are going to get points. With these points, you can then rank higher on the leaderboard, in which, yes, you can then get a part of that massive prize pool if you reach the top 10. Other ways you can earn points are with the daily and weekly missions. So this could be just checking in, making a deposit, or opening a trade. Super easy. Again, just standard tasks that you would do on your broker anyway. So if you come over here, then yes, it is going to be one, a better broker with far more features, and two, a better experience for you, but also you could get a part of that $4,000 prize pool. Now, the Choose Your Champion section here is where you would pick the cup that you think would take the crown and get it right, and you will earn a massive point boost. So this is where the real skill comes into it, guys. So if you are into football, then definitely check this out because, again, completely free to enter. All you got to do is make an account and deposit and then start earning those points. If your team does take the crown, then you know you're going to be ranked higher on the leaderboard and can get access to that massive prize pool. Now, the steps to do this are really simple. All you got to do is install the app, use the link in the description, and then open a live account. Super easy to do that. We've explained that in other videos, but yes, the KYC, super easy. Just submit your ID and then it will be accepted in a matter of minutes. And from that point, you deposit, begin trading, and you are good to go. And that brings me to the third point here, which is start earning points. So everything we've discussed in this video, yes, you can earn points from doing that. And the higher you get on the leaderboard, the more you can earn. So great stuff there. Now, they are doing bonus rewards here, as you can see, which is a bi-weekly lucky draw where you can win $50 in cash. All you got to do is share the hashtag #TradeLikeChampions via the PU Prime app and tag their official channels on Facebook or Instagram. Once you've done that, tag 3 of your friends, and boom, you could be applicable to get that $50 in cash. So good stuff there. So guys, a fantastic opportunity here today. Definitely check it out in the description. That was PU Prime's Trade Like Champion. Definitely check it out because one, if you're already trading, it makes sense to come over to this broker. I scream about this broker, how good it is. So I would highly recommend coming over and checking it out. Now you have a reason to do so. And if you pick the correct club, you could rank super high on that leaderboard in which you could get that 4K prize. So good stuff there. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.